Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay in 2025. For that, you will have to first of all launch your MoonPay mobile application and you need to log in into your account. Now, once you do this, on the home page, you will see this buy option. So you need to simply tap on buy. And once you do this, you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom where by default BTC will be selected. So since you want to buy BTC, you don't need to change anything over here. Now you just have to enter the amount in euros that you want to spend in order to purchase BTC, and then it will show you the equivalent amount of BTC that you are going to get. Now, if you don't want to use euro as your fiat currency, you can even change the currency. But for this video, I'm going to keep it as it is. Now, once you have entered the amount, you need to simply press continue button in the bottom and wait for some time until it shows you further options. Now, it will ask you to tell us something about yourself, like you need to provide your address details and your personal information. So you just have to press get started and you need to provide some of your details. Now, after providing your details, it will redirect you on the payments page where you will have to simply select your preferable payment method and conclude the payment. Now, once your payment is completed successfully, you will be able to get your Bitcoin in no time in your MoonPay app, and it will show here in the top section. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.